Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode of W's Pack Openings, the 3 Birds 3-pack series, where we're trying to pull the Trey Legendary Bird set.
Yeah!
Let's get into it.
Baby bird, come on, come on.
Garbage, and one in the front, and a recycled garbage energy. Snowball, Noctowl, Ekans, and another Snowball. Garbage. Alright.
What?
There's a tear on it also. Right here.
Oh, it curled up.
Yeah.
Okay. First up is a bird. Licky. What is it called? Dinosaur. In the hologram. You'll see. Okay. Last pack. Hopefully we get last pack magic. Okay. We'll do that. Very.
Shiny!
Shiny like a treasure from a sunken pirate wreck.
It's a shiny coffee. Baby popper.
Dinosaur.
Oh, how many times have we gotten that one? I think that's 3.
It looks like it's in a bathroom. Because of the floor. Yeah. Yep.
Well, until next time, I got some more Trey birds on order. So, peace, love, and happiness.
Bye.